Hello guys, my name is Akshay. This video is regarding Linux kernel architecture. It was developed by Linus Torvald in 1991. Kernel is a core component of any OS. Linux kernel is a monolithic kernel which means in kernel space there are many activities are going on such as device driver, file system and IPC. Linux kernel acts as bridge between application and data processing performed at the hardware level. As shown in this figure, hardware and applications are bridged by a kernel. In applications, system softwares, user processes, user utilities, compilers are linked to hardware with the help of kernel. Properties of Linux kernel. It is considered as a monolithic kernel. Linux kernel is laid into number of systems and it is differed from microkernel architecture. The main difference between monolithic kernel and microkernel is that my monolithic kernel is kernel a single large process running on a single address, whereas in microkernel, kernel breaks down into separate processes known as server, which some of them server runs on a user space and some of them runs on kernel space. Functions of kernel. Process management. Process management is nothing but giving or allocating resources to processes, maintaining synchronization between processes. Memory management. In memory management, kernel manages primary memory and moves processes back and forth between memory. It keeps track of memory when in independent of processes running or that is executing or not. Resource allocation. Resource allocation is an important factor for execution of processes. Kernel maintains or keep the track of resource allocation for processes such as memory plus processing power and any required input. IPC, which stands for inter-process communication. It is a communication between processes. IPC is a set of program which coordinates the communication between processes. That's it guys. Thank you.